isn't the whole point of a Labubu blind box is that you don't know, that you get surprised? And they ruined the surprise. The Labubu craze is finally over. And you know what that means. It means you can finally get them. They're no longer sold out every single time you go to the Popmart website, and they are advertising hard on Instagram. Every single time I go through my Instagram stories, there's always a new Popmart ad, and before I'd click on the links and they'd all be sold out. But lately I've been clicking on the links whenever there's a Popmart ad, and surprisingly they're available. So I got some. So let's investigate. I'm so curious. So if you wait long enough for a trend to die down, you can hop on the bandwagon. I mean, you won't be caught up in the zeitgeist and it won't be cool anymore, but at least if you're curious about pop culture, you can find out what it's all about. And I wanted to know what the big deal was. So I got 2 of these exciting macarons and then these Big Inter Energy. But the first thing that happened was, I think the reason I was able to get the exciting macarons was because they told me what it was. It's like, I bought it, I paid for it, and as soon as I got the email confirming what I got, it was like, spoiler alert, it told me what I got. It told me that I got the pink one and the green one. And I was like, okay, that's annoying. I didn't want to know. Like, isn't the whole point of a Labubu blind box is that you don't know, that you get surprised? And they ruined the surprise. I was kind of like so upset. And then when I looked at the receipt, it said these were part of the Pop Now, which they tell you what it is when you buy it, which I don't understand the point. I mean, I guess some people would want to know what they're going to get because they want to maybe complete their set, or there's a certain Labubu that they're missing that they want to get. But for the most part, this was my first time and I wanted to be surprised, and I wasn't surprised. So I think that's why these were still available, because I think not that many people want the Pop Now. They don't want this surprise spoiled. They want the surprise. So anyway, whatever. So I got the pink one and the green one, and then another ad popped up and they were still available. So I bought these ones, which were the Big Inter Energy, but I'm confused because these are smaller. The box is smaller, so I'm not, are these a different type of Labubu? Is this the one that everyone's wearing on their bags? I mean, or is this the one that everyone's wearing on their bags? And then what's this? Because when I looked at the ad, it did say these were pendants. So immediately I was confused or trying to research what a pendant was, but I really couldn't get any answers online what the difference was between a pendant and a regular. But already I'm seeing the box is smaller, so I don't know if the Labubu is smaller, if it's a pendant, because I thought they were all pendants. That's why I was confused. I thought they were all pendants, they all were keychains, and they all hang on your bag. So why is this just called a pendant, but the others aren't? Anyway, let's find out and let's unbox. Yeah, so these are, I got lychee berry and green grape, which I guess that's cute. I mean, it's kind of like the Wicked colors, so I guess it's got that going for it. Okay, so, and these were the original, real, authentic Labubus, because I did buy them from the Popmart website, and they did come, I think, from China or wherever, or Japan. Sorry, I don't know where they really originate from, but it took 9 days for these to arrive. I ordered them on Halloween, October 31st, and they arrived on November 9th. And then I ordered these on November 4th, and they came on November 14th. So about 9-10 days. But I did not have to pay tariffs. I was worried about that, but I didn't have to. So that's really good, because I was kind of worried that they were going to hold them ransom at the post office until I went down and paid a tariff, which happened before when I bought clothes from Essence from Canada. But there was no issues with the tariffs or having to go pick them up from the post office. But anyway, let's get into it. So these are exciting macarons, the monsters. And it has, I guess, authentic little hologram sticker on it. Yeah, and it says lychee berry, so you know what it is. So I guess this is the pink one. Okay. My first ever Labubu unboxing. Although it's not blind, I know what it is. Ooh, okay, so then it's in a little pouch, a little plastic pouch. Oh, okay. Because before, on other, okay, right. So on the Labubu unboxings I've always seen before, they're in a plastic pouch that you rip and you're surprised, or the people are surprised. This is just a plastic pouch and you with a cord, and you just open it and you know what it is, I guess. So, okay. Exciting macaron. And on the back is the little logo. I like the drippy effect on the top. Okay, my first Labubu, lychee berry. And it's got a little tag. Am I supposed to remove this or cut it off? But it's cute. And yeah, it's got the little key ring. So it's a lychee berry. It's soft and cute. I like it. So there's that one. Okay. And this is a green grape. And it says green grape. Oh, cute. So there's, I missed this in the other box. There's a little card, and I guess just, you know, the silica bag. Yeah, and then this one has a little card and the silica bag. Okay. And this is green grape. So it's cute. I like it. I think I like lychee berry better because it's pink. And it's just cute. Should I get little outfits for these? I was seeing on Instagram I was getting ads for the little outfits, but I kept going through them and I really didn't like the outfits that much. And also there was like cute little charms, like you can buy a little Labubu for your Labubu. I thought that was kind of cool or kind of cute. But then it wasn't clear on how they hung. But anyway, let me know if you think I should get little outfits or little Labubus, little Labubu charms for them. Also, do you name yours or do you just call it by whatever color it is? Let me know. Okay, so now these are the pendants of the Big Into Energy. So yeah, I'm not sure why the box is smaller. If it means it's the Labubu is going to be smaller, so let's find out. Okay. Oh. I don't think these were Pop Now. Are they? But I thought, but it's still not a ripped bag. I thought you were supposed to rip the bag, but even this is like a corded bag with a gathered enclosure. Oh, am I supposed to say which one I want? Well, I guess I want Loyalty. Well, I kind of think I got Loyalty because I kind of saw a little bit of fur. Anyway, I do like the pink. I like warm colors, so Loyalty, Happiness, or Love. So let's see what I got. Oh, this is cute. So I guess is this Loyalty? So yeah, I kind of spoil it because I kind of got a glimpse of the fur, but it's Loyalty and it's cute. Okay, so okay, so the size is the same. It's exactly the same, but the box was smaller. Maybe it was like for sustainability to use less packaging, but it's the same size. So that's cool, and that's good. It's just weird that they call it a pendant, but they're all pendants. So I like this loyalty. So let's hope I get happiness or love. Luck would be okay too, because that's kind of purple. But I don't want hope because I don't like blue. And serenity, I'm not that big of a fan of green. So hopefully this is love or happiness. Or luck. These boxes don't open that right, and I keep ripping it. So am I opening it wrong, or does everybody just rip theirs? Yeah, it doesn't open that great. Okay. Okay, it's a blue or green one. Okay, so this is hope. It's cute. I don't know. I'm actually going to my friend's birthday party tonight. Maybe I'll give it to him. Is that bad to give somebody an already opened Labubu? But what am I going to do with 5 Labubus? And I don't want them to go into the landfill, so maybe I'll just regift these. Hope. And the last one, okay, hopefully I will get happiness, love, or luck. And hopefully I won't get a repeat, because that would suck. But then if I do get a repeat, then I'll just give it to my friend. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I guess there's no way to open this without ripping it. Okay. I'm thinking it's purple. I'm thinking it's luck. I think it is. Yeah, I got luck. So that's okay. Yeah, it's cute. It's actually very cute. And the fur is really soft. They're cute and squishy. I like them. I guess I do understand the appeal, the craze, why everyone loves them. They're very cute. I do feel like they're good quality. The fur is soft. I do think I like maybe Big Energy better than the Exciting Macarons, because this this type of fur, it just seems like it can get really dirty and kind of grimy easily, or it just kind of looks like, you know, old fur, whereas this type of fur just looks nicer or newer. Because like what do you call this material? Like fleece? Fleece can get just really ratty and old looking fast, and it's like not as high end. It's just more like cozy, so I'm not as into these Exciting Macarons. But I do like the Big Into Energy. So that is my very first Labubu unboxing, like months too late. It's like 3 months too late. But I do like them. And now I know what all the fuss is about. And maybe I'll give some away. I don't know. I think I'll probably keep these 2. And then maybe give away the other ones. So let me know what you think of these Labubus, if you have any. And what you do with yours, if you dress them up, if you name them. Do you put them in the plastic cases? Do you just hang them off of your bag, like without any protection? Let me know your best advice for Labubus, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Yay!